Hi there, want to make your design look clean, professional, and ready to show off? I'm Chris, the creator behind Buddies. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to use one of my mockups, even if you've never used one before. Let's get started. This mockup is a fully layered PSD file that works in Adobe Photoshop. And even with Photopea, a free online editor you can use right in your browser. It's perfect for showcasing all kinds of apparel designs, whether it's casual wear, streetwear, minimalist, vintage, or bold graphic styles. No matter your vibe, this mockup will help your design stand out. Let me walk you through it step by step. Alright, first step, just open the file. No matter what kind of clothing mockup you're using, every mockup you downloaded from Buddies works the same way. Okay, once you've opened the file, first step, if you want to place your design onto the clothing, go to the folder named Click Change Design. Now you can just drag your design into it and position it the way you like. Or you can also click on the image named Change Design, that works too. Step 2. If you want to change the color of the clothing, go to the layer called Change Color. Then click on the color box. It'll open the color picker window. And from there, you can choose any color you want. Last step, if you want to change the background, you can do that too. Change the background color, add an image, or even export as a PNG with a transparent background. Just like you're seeing here, it's really flexible. Tips from me. If you want to make the clothing look brighter or darker, just click on the folder called Detail and tweak the opacity the way you like. Alright, how was that? Super easy, right? But before you go, I've got something special for you. Here's an exclusive discount for the Clothing Mockup Mega Pack. Use this code to get $20 off, but hurry, it's a limited offer. Oh, and by the way, this pack comes with free lifetime updates too. If you like my mockups, you can download them from the link in the description. Follow me on social media to catch new mockups and more cool stuff coming soon. Let me know how you feel in the comments, or if there's anything you'd like me to improve, just drop a message. And if you want to take your design game to the next level, hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Now go show the world your style.